on, guys? I recently just got sent this huge box of Adidas stuff from All American Martial Arts Supply, so I thought I would take this time to kind of go through everything with you guys. I started opening a little bit, but I haven't looked at everything quite yet, because a lot of you guys have been asking me, over the last couple years, what kind of gear I have, what gear I use, where I get it from, so I thought this is all my new stuff, so why not share it with you guys? Hope you will enjoy the video. Let's get started. Alright, so like I said, I already started to open up a little bit. I got super excited when I got this box, so I couldn't help myself, but I stopped. That way I could kind of record and show you guys. So we are going to start off with, I'm in love with this backpack. So this is Adidas Taekwondo backpack. Looks like I can attach a hogu to this. So this is pretty cool. I love the colors with it. It's not like a huge backpack or anything crazy, but absolutely love this backpack. I've been in need of a new one anyway because my other one I have is starting to come apart a little bit. Next up, we have some Adidas Taekwondo hats. These actually look pretty cool. This is Adidas Taekwondo and it has this logo on it. Got it in white, black, and navy in these designs. And then I have these. Oh, nice. This is like the old school original Adidas Taekwondo look. Have that in navy, black, and white. That looks pretty nice. Next up, ooh, yeah, I want to see this. All right, so this, I'm excited for this. This is my new competition uniform. All right, most of you have probably seen my other one I have. It's time to retire the old one. This is my new one, Adidas Fighter uniform. It's nice and lightweight. It's got the Adidas right here on the sleeve, on the shoulder right here. Let me see that back. Ooh, yeah, this is nice. So this has my name of my school on it. Oh, wow. And it's actually embroidered. That is awesome. So this is actually embroidered on the back. So that looks awesome. I am in love with this uniform. Man, that looks great. Next custom thing I got. I'm excited for this. All right, so I've gotten a couple Adidas jackets from them before. You've probably seen them in videos before. They sent me some custom jackets, I believe the end of last year, so I definitely love their Adidas Taekwondo jackets. But this is my new one. This has my name on the front. Ooh, this looks cool too. It's got my school's logo on the back, so that looks awesome. There's that scratch. It's in white. Yeah, nice and simple. Wanted to go for something a little more simple. Yeah. That's awesome. All right, now up for the gear. So let's go through. I got some new gear. I got fighter socks, just your typical socks. I have the Adidas right here, Adidas right there. Yeah, so those look pretty nice. Pretty standard for the socks. Let's see. All right, I was definitely in need of some of these. I want to try these out. So these are the gloves. Yeah, that's pretty nice. It's got World Taekwondo on it. Adidas gloves. Ooh, now something I like about these, I don't think my old ones have this. I can't remember though. This has a little strap right here as well, which I like, because my wrists are like super skinny. They're really small, so sometimes I have a hard time. I have to really like wrap the gloves around. But this has like an extra strap right here to keep them in place. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah, that feels pretty secure. That feels like it's a little bit tighter on my wrist, so yeah, I like that. I'm pretty sure my other ones don't have that, so it's got like an extra little strap to hold it, make my wrist feel a little more secure. It's got padding around the thumb, got that little grip right here. Yeah, I like these. Definitely like these gloves. I was in need of some new gloves. My old gloves are starting to fall apart. Nice. Definitely like those gloves. All right, let's see. All right, got forearm and shin guards here. I'll just open up one of them. They're basically the same material. Here's the forearm guards. Ooh, those are nice. These will probably be easy to keep clean. Yeah, I like these. These are nice and slick. Pretty well padded, just nice and simple. Adidas there. It says World Taekwondo on the bottom. Yeah, I like this material. I feel like this material, will be much easier than some of my other ones I've had to keep clean. These are nice and slick. Shouldn't hold in too much sweat to where they'll smell. Should be able to just wipe these down nice and easy. So I like these. Definitely approve of these. Those should be much easier to keep clean. Just wipe them down. They're nice and slick. All right, new chest guard. Oh yeah, that's cool. Open this up. Adidas Hogu. Nice. Yeah, I like that. Adidas here. World Taekwondo on the bottom. Yeah, definitely like this. I've actually never had an Adidas chest guard, so kind of excited for that. That looks cool. That's nice. Oh, I'm guessing this is Headgear. Let's see, white Headgear. I did have a white Headgear, but it's like all falling apart because I like to wear the white one for training and stuff. So here's white Adidas one. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice, and I like how small. Nice and small, nothing too big and crazy. Adidas logo right there, nice and simple. World Taekwondo on the back. Yeah, I like that. Nice and simple. Nothing too big or big logo there. Nice and small. All right. Ooh, new paddles. All right, so I've got a black one here. Nice. Black Adidas Taekwondo kicking target. Red on the inside. Nice. Those are pretty nice. Nice, well padded. I really like this one actually. I love this blue. Yeah, blue one with the red on the inside. Yeah, I definitely like this blue one. Something a little bit different, pops a little bit. I like that a lot. Yeah, that one's nice. And then last but not least, ooh, shoes. All right. All right, I've definitely, so the pair of Taekwondo shoes I currently have, they're probably like 10 years old. They're like falling apart. I've got them taped up on the bottom. I just haven't gotten a new pair yet, so definitely have been in need. Ooh, these look nice. Nice white with the black stripe. Adidas shoes. These are slick. Those look pretty cool. I like those a lot. Nice and slick. Your classic white with the black stripe. Those are pretty cool. Ooh, kind of make it a little more fancy. Still have the black and the white, but at least have the gold stripes on them. Those look pretty cool. Those are nice too. Oh, now I think these are probably my favorite though. Black. Black with white stripes. I think these are probably going to be my favorites. Favorite ones. Yeah, I like these a lot. Definitely look pretty slick. Try these on. Oh yeah, they fit pretty good. Yeah, so these are nice. I like how minimal they look. They're like super minimal. I'll get some close-up shots too so you guys can see it. These are pretty nice. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've gotten like a new pair of Taekwondo shoes. Oh, these fit nice. Yeah, I love how minimal these are. Nice and minimal. Yeah, pretty comfortable too. Yeah, definitely be trying these out, doing some kicks. But yeah, that's pretty much all this stuff. Big thank you to All American Martial Arts Supply for sending me this box of stuff. I'm definitely looking forward to trying this out. I am super stoked about that uniform though. I'm definitely going to be trying that uniform on, doing some kicking with it. The jacket looks awesome. I'm in love with the custom stuff, definitely. That jacket, that looks nice. The uniform looks awesome. Definitely I've been in need of some gear, but yeah, I'm going to be doing a little bit of training. I'll show you guys some clips here at the end of me training with like some of this stuff on, trying it out. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to link their website in the description box down below if you are interested. They have a ton of Adidas stuff. I think they're like the Adidas distributor for the US. So definitely go check them out if you are in need of some new gear or you want like a cool Adidas jacket. I know these jackets come in a lot of different colors, so I highly recommend them. I already have 2 of these already that I train in, I wear out. They're super nice. They're really good to train in as well, but highly recommend them. And I'll keep you guys up to date. You guys will be seeing me wearing these shoes and using this stuff in future videos, so I'll keep you guys up to date on how everything holds up. But so far, first impressions, stuff's super nice. I can't wait to use them. Thank you so much one more time for them for sending all this stuff out. I'm just really excited. It's like Christmas came early. Super excited to try all this stuff out. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Keep watching a little bit longer. I'm going to put a few training clips of me in the new uniform and stuff, so I hope you all will enjoy those few clips. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and make sure to let me know what else you want to see in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.